If you're into power tools and love anything that makes projects faster, easier, and more fun, this lineup is for you. This year, leading brands like Milwaukee, Dewalt, Kreg, Harbor Freight, Festool, Makita, and more are unleashing a wave of new tools that raise the bar on performance, convenience, and innovation. From rugged job site gear to clever workshop upgrades, there's something here for every builder, maker, and DIY enthusiast. In this video, we'll break down 17 of the newest tools worth adding to your collection, showing you exactly what makes each one stand out. Let's start with some premium cordless innovation from Festool. Sanding tight corners, edges, or awkward gaps often leads to uneven results or constant tool changes, but the Festool DTSC 200 basic cordless delta sander makes detail work far more efficient. Designed with a wide support surface in eccentric sanding motion, it delivers smooth finishes while reaching areas traditional sanders struggle with. Powered by an 18-volt 4.0 amp-hour battery, it stays compatible across the Festool cordless lineup, keeping setup simple and cord-free. This sander handles crevices and irregular surfaces easily, reducing rework caused by missed spots or scratch marks. Its standout feature is the integrated LED light ring, which highlights surface imperfections and can be customized through the Festool app for different lighting modes. A dust bag allows hose-free sanding, improving mobility. Granite abrasives can be torn, rotated, and reused up to 3 times, helping reduce waste and cost. Woodworkers appreciate the quiet operation and adjustable speed control, making it an ideal follow-up tool after drilling or cutting when fine surface prep matters most. Clean, accurate plunge cuts and sheet goods often demand careful setup, but the Festool TSC 55 KSEB Basic Cordless Plunge Saw simplifies the process without sacrificing precision. Running on 18-volt system, this 55mm plunge saw delivers consistent cutting power, making it ideal on on-site breakdowns, cabinetry, or kitchen installations where cords get in the way. Its plunge mechanism and guide rail compatibility eliminate alignment issues common with standard circular saws, producing clean, splinter-free cuts every time. The real advantage comes from its brushless motor, which maintains strong performance under load while improving efficiency. Ergonomic handling helps reduce fatigue during long cut-in sessions, and variable speed control allows you to match blade speed to different materials. Integrated dust extraction keeps the cut line visible and the workspace cleaner. Contractors value its reliability and accuracy on plywood, laminates, and panels, making it a natural transition tool. Routing exposed edges can be risky when tools feel unstable, but the Festool MFKC 700 EB Basic Cordless Module Edge Router is designed to deliver control and accuracy. Powered by 18-volt batteries, this 700-watt cordless router handles flush trimming and edge profiling without the drag of a cord. Its larger base provides better stability, reducing the risk of tipping or damaging delicate edges. Fine adjustment is incredibly precise, allowing changes down to 1/10 of a millimeter for consistent depth control. A balanced handle improves guidance, especially on vertical or narrow surfaces. One of its standout features is the wide router table paired with integrated dust extraction, which keeps sticky shavings under control during use. A quick spindle stop makes bit changes fast and easy, while compatible cutters like S8HW handle angled edges smoothly, making it a perfect follow-up cut after plunge saw cuts. After routing or fitting parts, flattening surfaces often requires heavy sanding, but the Festool HLC 82 EB Basic Cordless Planer delivers smooth results far more efficiently. This 82mm planer uses a brushless EC Tech motor to provide consistent power while planing depths up to 2.5mm, making it ideal for doors, beams, and panels. Its spiral blade system runs at an incline, producing cleaner cuts with less tear out compared to straight blades. The pulling cut design improves control and accuracy, while also reducing noise during operation. One standout feature is its ability to cut rivets up to 25mm deep, along with 3 integrated V-grooves for clean chamfers. A removable adapter helps stabilize long chamfer cuts, improving consistency. Multiple extraction options allow it to fit different dust setups. Woodworking professionals value how much time it saves by reducing resanding, allowing projects to move smoothly. Harbor Freight. And now, let's see some power tools from Harbor Freight. Working inside cramped engine bays or awkward mechanical spaces often makes a regular ratchet feel useless, but the Hercules 12-volt cordless 3/8-inch extended reach ratchet from Harbor Freight completely changes that experience. This compact tool delivers up to 40 foot-pounds of maximum torque while spinning at 275 revolutions per minute, matching the performance of many pneumatic ratchets without dealing with hoses. Its slim body and extended reach slide easily into tight areas around crowded engines, helping you break loose stubborn fasteners without awkward wrist angles or dropped sockets. The extended neck design is paired with Hercules 2.0 amp-hour battery compatibility, giving you more work per charge and improved overall battery life. Mechanics and DIY users appreciate how quickly it removes bolts on vehicles or machinery, keeping projects moving without the strain of manual ratcheting. Offered as a tool-only option, it fits seamlessly into existing Hercules setups. Drilling into concrete, masonry, or dense materials can quickly expose the limits of weaker tools, but the Hercules 20-volt brushless cordless 1/2-inch compact hammer drill and driver from Harbor Freight is built for serious work. Powered by a high-performance brushless motor, it delivers 80% more power with up to 1,200 inch-pounds of torque, allowing it to push through demanding tasks without bogging down. Its compact size makes it easy to handle, whether you are anchoring into walls or mixing small batches on the job. The standout feature is the 2-speed transmission paired with 14 clutch settings, letting you match speed and control precisely to the material. An all-metal Jacobs ratcheting chuck keeps bits secure without constant tightening. The well-balanced design and textured overmold grip help reduce fatigue during long workdays, while all-metal gears hold up to job site abuse. Professionals appreciate how smoothly it transitions from tight space fastening into full drilling. The Milwaukee M18 brushless precision blower makes the job feel effortless. This compact tool delivers a focused blast of air at 570 miles per hour, moving 39 cubic feet per minute through its brushless motor. That precision airflow works great for cleaning detailed workbenches, keyboards, and tool drawers, or even inflating tires while you're on the go. With 3 power modes and a variable trigger, you can control airflow smoothly instead of overblowing delicate areas. The lightweight 2-pound design, combined with an ergonomic grip and built-in LED light, keeps long sessions comfortable in garages or workshops. What really makes this blower stand out is the interchangeable nozzle system, plus a removable filter and trigger lock reduce fatigue, while runtime exceeds 30 minutes on maximum power. After clearing debris, grinding and cutting tasks often raise concerns about safety and control, especially when dealing with kickback or runaway wheels. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel dual-trigger braking grinder is designed specifically to address those risks. Its dual-trigger system requires two-handed operation, helping maintain control during demanding cuts. Built-in auto-stop kickback control and a rapid stop braking system stop most wheels in under 2 seconds, adding confidence on every job. Powered by a brushless motor reaching 9,000 revolutions per minute across 4 speed settings, it handles cutting rebar, weld cleanup, and heavy grinding with ease. Despite running on M18 batteries, it delivers corded-like performance and includes one-key tracking for customization and overload protection. The permanently mounted side handle locks into 15 different positions, while the electronic clutch and tool-free guard reduce vibration and simplify adjustments. Despite running on M18 batteries, it delivers corded-like performance and includes one-key tracking for customization and overload protection. Grinding, sanding, and concrete work leave behind fine dust and heavy debris that many shop vacuums struggle to manage, especially when cords limit mobility. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Nexus 23-liter L-Class vacuum is built to solve that problem in a fully cordless job site package. With a 23-liter capacity, it handles large cleanup tasks without frequent emptying, making it ideal for metal fabrication, concrete cutting, or extended sanding jobs. Its brushless powertrain provides strong suction for both fine dust and heavier debris, while the durable construction holds up to tough job site conditions. Running on the Nexus system allows extended runtime without constantly swapping batteries, keeping work moving efficiently. Full M18 compatibility makes it easy to integrate into existing setups. By eliminating cords, weak suction, and constant downtime, it offers a cleaner, more reliable solution for contractors who need serious performance wherever the job takes them. Driving fasteners overhead or inside cabinets often leads to hand fatigue and vibration when using standard impact drivers. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Surge hydraulic driver is built to change that experience entirely. Instead of metal-on-metal impacts, it uses a fluid drive hydraulic system that makes it 50% quieter and produces 3 times less vibration. Even with its smooth operation, it delivers up to 1,000 inch-pounds of torque and drives fasteners at speeds up to 3 times faster than traditional designs. The compact 4.33-inch length makes it easy to reach tight spaces, while the 3-mode drive control allows better precision across different materials. Tri-LED lighting improves visibility, and one-handed bit insertion keeps work flowing smoothly. The hydraulic system reduces noise, wear, and user fatigue, making this driver especially useful for finish carpentry, cabinet installation, or assembly work. Working inside tight corners or confined spaces often means relying on pneumatic die grinders that limit movement with hoses. The Dewalt Atomic 20-volt Max right-angle die grinder removes that restriction while delivering serious performance. It provides 22% more power than traditional half-horsepower pneumatic tools, all in a slim, cordless design that feels natural in the hand. With 455 max watts out and speeds reaching 24,500 revolutions per minute, it handles grinding, polishing, engraving, and porting tasks with ease. Variable speed control allows better precision across different materials. Safety features include an anti-rotation system that stops the wheel if it binds, and an electronic brake that halts rotation in under 1 second. Delivering 53% more power than comparable M12 tools, it offers cordless freedom without sacrificing control or strength. Angle grinding in confined or awkward spaces often becomes frustrating when tools are bulky or hard to control. The Dewalt Atomic 20-volt Max 4.5-inch angle grinder is designed specifically to handle those situations. Its compact body and ultra-slim grip make it easy to reach tight areas while maintaining a comfortable hold. The brushless motor delivers strong cutting and grinding performance, and anti-rotation technology shuts the tool down if it senses a stall, helping reduce sudden torque reactions. An electronic brake stops the wheel in approximately 1.25 seconds, improving safety during cuts and surface preparation. The paddle switch offers familiar control, while the clip-on guard allows quick switching between Type A and Type B configurations. A built-in spindle lock supports fast, wrench-free wheel changes. What truly sets this grinder apart is how balanced and manageable it feels during overhead or confined work. Cutting smooth curves in plywood or laminates often feels unstable with larger jigsaws, but the Kreg 20-volt ionic drive barrel grip jigsaw is built for precision and control. The barrel grip design places your hand closer to the blade, giving better feedback and stability through tight curves and detailed cuts. Auto mode technology starts slowly and ramps up speed automatically, helping reduce tear-out during material entry. Variable speed control, 4 orbital settings, and tool-free bevel adjustments up to 45 degrees allow easy tuning for different materials. Dual LED lights, a dust blower, and a vacuum port keep the cut line clear and visible at all times. Blade changes are quick using the lever-style release. The real advantage comes from the ionic drive electronics, which optimize power delivery and runtime compared to typical jigsaws. That directly addresses overheating and short-run issues that interrupt detailed cutting tasks. The result is smooth, consistent finishes without cords. Now we're cranking up the power with Makita's heavy-duty outdoor tools. Handling large trees or thick branches without gas power often means sacrificing performance, but the Makita UC030GZ 40V Max XGT 50cm chainsaw delivers serious cutting strength without fumes or fuel. Running on dual XGT batteries, this 20-inch chainsaw produces torque that rivals petrol models, making it capable of tackling tall pines, storm cleanup, or heavy limbing work. The brushless motor provides strong, consistent power while keeping noise levels lower, making it more suitable for residential areas. One of its key features is the cyclonic chain lubrication system, which improves oil distribution and helps extend bar and chain life. Toolless chain tensioning allows quick adjustments in the field without extra tools. Built-in vibration reduction improves comfort during extended cutting sessions. Arborists and property owners appreciate the long runtime and clean operation, allowing them to transition from fine woodworking tasks to demanding outdoor cutting. After cutting, pruning, or sanding, cleanup can slow everything down, especially when standard vacuums clog or lose suction. The Makita CL004G 40V Max XGT stick vacuum is designed to handle job site debris efficiently without cords. Using cyclone separation technology, it maintains strong suction while keeping fine dust from clogging filters. This lightweight vacuum easily handles sawdust, wood chips, or general debris in workshops, garages, or on-site environments. XGT battery compatibility allows it to share power with saws and other tools, extending runtime and simplifying battery management. The standout feature is its bagless cyclonic design paired with HEPA filtration, improving air quality while reducing maintenance. It can quickly convert into a handheld vacuum for cleaning tight spaces, vehicles, or shelves. Users appreciate how it fits naturally into the workflow after cutting or trimming, keeping work areas clean. Precision edge work often exposes the limits of weaker routers, but the Makita RT0702 edge router delivers consistent control and clean results. Designed with a fixed base and 1/4-inch collet, it spins up to 30,000 revolutions per minute, making it ideal for trimming, profiling, and detailed edge work on countertops or moldings. Its corded design provides uninterrupted power for workshops that demand continuous runtime without battery swaps. Built-in soft start helps reduce sudden torque, while quality ball bearings minimize vibration during use. A variable speed dial allows adjustments for different woods or plastics, improving finish quality across materials. The flat motor housing makes it stable when placed on a bench between cuts. Integrated dust port compatibility helps keep workspaces cleaner. Finish carpenters appreciate how smoothly it ties together earlier cutting and sanding steps, delivering polished edges that complete projects with professional-level consistency. So, that's all about the 17 new power tools from Milwaukee, Dewalt, Kreg, Harbor Freight, Festool, and Makita. And let us know in the comments what tools you're currently using and what you're skipping. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel, as whenever a new tool hits the market, we bring it straight to you.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.